BMW has revised the F800 GS very well, and so have we. Our development department has very much focused on this bike. The new model of this typical adventure bike has also been equipped with our pannier system in all versions, wind protection from windshield to fairing, accessories to enhance ergonomic riding comfort, seats, engine guard, crash bars, whatever you wish. Stop by, we've got everything here.
This crash bar is specially made for the F800 GS, the new style F800 GS. It has a new design, so we made new designed crash bar for it. It's a side crash bar which protects not only the fairing but also the cooler. It is mounted at a strong point at the frame, where also the engine is mounted. It's mounted on the BMW crash bar, and it's connected from left to right under the beak. This makes it the whole crash bar very stable. We use 25mm pipe for the main parts, and for extra styling and protection we use an 18mm pipe to protect the side when the bike rolls over. The skid plate of the F800 GS we made is directly mounted to the engine. Standard is mounted on silent blocks. Mounting it directly to the engine will give better ground clearance. It also has the better possibility to distribute the forces that act on the engine guard. We mounted the engine guard on the 4 standard mounting points, but extra we mounted to the front, so we have in total 6 mounting points. These mounting points are connected with a stainless steel plate that's under the aluminium. The aluminium engine guard itself is made out of 4mm aluminium, 2 parts welded together. Especially for that, for the other underplate is bent extra to give length, strength, lateral strength, and to protect the bolt heads. The bolt heads itself are extra protected with the plastic skid rails, and the skid rails are quick mounted and bolted to the front. And the good thing about this is when you glide over hard parts and you damage these rails, you can easily exchange them.
The advantage we have here at Touratech is that we do not only develop everything ourselves in-house, we also produce it and we test it afterwards. So that means the benefit out of that is we use our products ourselves. I have been with the F800 GS in Iceland, Herbert has been with it in Africa and Ethiopia. So we've done many rides, and whenever we develop products, we benefit out of these experiences.